Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliza. If you didn't know. If you didn't know. Okay, you guys, so I got another unboxing video slash review video for you guys. So as you guys see in the title, I'm doing Crocs. These are my first pair of Crocs. So I just want to start off by saying so I'm not really a big Crocs fan, but I got these shoes for work. If you haven't watched my last review video, which was on my Chacos, I'll place the thumbnail here so you know what I'm talking about right there. So I got those shoes for work and I like them, but they do kind of bruise my feet a little bit on the side, but it's not as bad. But I just thought maybe I should get some more shoes for work. And if you don't know, I do work outside. I work at a water park. So I was like, you know, maybe I should just get some more work shoes, that way I can alternate between those two shoes. So I got these Crocs, and the colors that we have to wear is black, so I got black Crocs. So I'm going to be talking about sizing and the pricing and stuff like that. So y'all know what Crocs look like, okay? Everybody got Crocs. So I got black. If I had a choice, I wouldn't have gotten black. Black is just really not a big fan of black Crocs, to be exact. I would have gotten like blue, pink, or something like that. But yeah. So these are my work shoes. So yeah. So I'm gonna talk about the pricing really quickly. Oh, let me show you guys how it came to. I forgot to show y'all that. So this is how it came. That's how it came with the return sticker and the return / exchange paper. If like they were too little or like if I didn't want them anymore. But they're good. So I'm gonna talk about pricing, then I'm gonna go into the sizing. Okay, so the pricing. So I got these from DSW, which is Designer Shoe Warehouse. You can get these from DSW, obviously this is where I got mine from, or just the Croc website. But I want to let you guys know right now, Crocs are higher, like Crocs.com. If you get it off Crocs.com, they're higher than DSW. Crocs.com, they sell them for about $44.99. So plus tax, plus shipping, that's about $47, $46, something like that, or even $50. Just depends on where it's shipping it to. So on DSW, they're selling them for $39.99, which is a couple dollars less than Crocs. So if you create an account with DSW and you know connect your email and stuff like that, you automatically get a free $10 off coupon. And they do give out a lot of coupons. I know people to get Crocs off DSW for about $5, because DSW give out so many coupons, and you just really have to wait for the coupons to come onto your account, and then you have to make sure that you're keeping up with your coupons. But me personally, I needed these shoes right away, so I wasn't finna wait for the coupons to get me to $5. I just got the $10 discount, and that was it. So my total ended up being $32.99 instead of $39.99. So the only reason why it's $32.99 because it was $39.99 at first. Then it took $10 off, and then plus shipping was $7.94, plus tax was $3, so it added up to $32. But yeah, so that's it about the pricing, and I really highly recommend you get your Crocs off of DSW and any other sandals off of DSW, because they're pretty cheap and they have good coupons. So that's it. And now I'm going to talk about the sizing. So I got these in a women's 8, and a men's 6. So that is my regular size for women. I usually wear an 8 all the time. So if you wear 8 in sandals or whatever, get an 8 in Crocs in women's sizing, like a 7 in men's or boys, or a 6 in men's or whatever, and you're a girl. I personally wear a 7 in boys. So they run small in men. So usually it would have been a men and a 7 in men, but there are 6 in men and an 8 in women. So I was like, okay, They go by women's sizes as well, but they also go by men. It's just your choice. So I went by women, and I got an 8 in women, and they fit perfectly. I'm going to show you guys how they look on my feet so you can know. So if you were an 8 in women, get an 8 in women in Crocs. If you were a 7 in men, get a 6 in Crocs, okay? Do you understand? Hope you understand. Okay. So that's about all. And it did come with like this, but I took it off. And it came with these little tags, but I tore them off right when I got them. And it also did come in a packaging bag, but I threw that away. I opened it as soon as it got here. I was like, oh, okay. Because, like, y'all, I didn't know what video to make. Because, as you guys know, my posting days are on Monday and Thursday. And I just currently missed Thursday posting days. So, I was like, dang, I got to get a video out by Monday. I can't miss 2 posting days. You gotta stay consistent, Aliza. So, I was like, dang, I don't know what video I should record for you guys for Monday. So I was like, let me just go see if I got a package outside, because I'm ordering a lot of stuff during quarantine. I ordered over like 30 things and they're still not here yet. So I was like, okay, cool, my Crocs outside. I can just go ahead and do an unboxing / review video. So that's what I'm doing. And so today is currently Sunday. I'm recording this video Sunday, and I'll post it Monday, which is tomorrow morning, but it will be today for you guys. And I will be wearing these shoes tomorrow to work, and I'm so excited. So you guys will be watching this video while I'm at work, and I'm just gonna post it before I get to work in the morning. So I'm gonna show you guys how they look on my feet now. Okay, so I'm gonna put one. Well, I just put both on when I get. All right. This is how they're looking. I just hit my thingy. Okay, so this is how they look. You know, don't mind my cream. I got cream on my legs. But anyway, yeah. So this is how they look. My feet is pushed all the way to the front. So that is how much room I have left. And if I push it all the way to the back, I have just a little bit of room in the front as well. Oh wait, you guys can see. A little bit of room in the front as well. Okay, so this is how they look. I'm gonna take one off. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how they look with the strap, with the little thingy down. This is how they look. And I'm really satisfied with them. I like it very much. And I highly recommend ordering these off SUBB, like I said. So, yeah. That's it. Okay, so I just showed you guys the shoes. So that's it for this video. This video was pretty short, nothing too long or complicated. So this was my Choco. Focus. Oh my god, there you go. So this is my Choco review, and I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to try to stay consistent on posting every Monday and every Thursday, and trying to record videos ahead of time, so that way when it's time I can just upload it and be done. So I really enjoy making videos for you guys. I really am so excited and happy that I finally got 200 subscribers after many months of having this channel. I know that my channel is going to grow tremendously, and I hope if you are a YouTuber and you are watching this, I hope that your channel grows tremendously as well. It will. Keep the faith, stay positive, and believe in yourself that you can do it. So y'all, let me know what video I should do next. Don't be scared to throw suggestions out there. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends or family or whatever. So yeah, stay blessed nevertheless.